Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now let's get started by downloading the software from Mac App Store. Search for PDFelement, then you can download it from here. It's called PDFelement 7. After you download it, open the file and choose file from your documents. This is a test CV file we want to use to highlight some features of this software. Now this is the user interface. Now let's get started with some viewing features. To zoom in and out, use your two fingers on the trackpad, or you can use the plus and minus icons. To scroll up and down, use your two fingers on the trackpad and swipe up and down. From the top icon, change the name of the document, and you can change the location also. Let's get started with the markup tool. Let's choose a rectangular shape, choose a color, and then add the shape. To edit a shape, just double tap on the trackpad. You can change color, opacity, or you can delete it if you want. You can add a marker. Use the pencil tool, mark. You can change location, and also you can delete if you want. Add text to the document. Choose color and then add. You can add also a sticky note. You can add signature, draw your signature, and click done. Position your signature, resize. This will work for documents or some contracting or something like this, and will automatically save to signatures. Do it. highlight some area, choose highlight, choose color. Double tap on the trackpad to change the color of the highlight. Let's go to text tool. To edit on the text, just tap on the text and you can add or delete text. You can also change size, location, change color, change font, and also change style. To add an image, tap on the image icon, choose an image, locate the image and change the size of it to fit in your documents. You can rotate the image, change dimension, and much more. There are two types of links you can add to your document. The first type is to send you to the chosen page or link that send you to a website. To review the links, tap on the preview icon to see where the links will send you once you tap on it. Now Forms tool is to add field to your document, so you can fill information. For example, after printing you can add like checkpoints, text field, Dropbox, and much more. You have also an extra tool to edit and manage your documents from the tools icon. Now let's organize pages. You can add a blank page, move it, add another document, insert from files, choose a file, and you can extract a file. But first choose a file or choose a page and then tap on extract, choose the location, and then will automatically extract your document as a PDF file. Choose a page and then press delete. To search for a word, tap on search icon, type the word that you want to search for, and the software will highlight it for you. PDFelement is like Adobe PDF software, but it's much more cheaper. All the links you need in the description. Don't forget to use the code to get a discount, also mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support us.